If your PlayStation 5 update is stuck, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection in the settings menu. If the connection is weak, consider moving closer to your router or using a wired connection. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear the second beep. This will boot your console into safe mode. From there, select the option to clear the cache and rebuild the database. Step 4. Update system software manually. If the update is still stuck, you can download the latest system software from the PlayStation website onto a USB drive. Insert the USB drive into your console and follow the prompts to install the update manually. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. If none of the previous steps work, it may be time to reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help with potential hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your PlayStation 5 update. If problems persist, seeking professional help is the best course of action.